Hello guys! I'm telling with you some countries. Pero hindi ko pa natatapos yung Africa tsaka Australia. You know this? That's Canada. Natito na din tayo. Yan oh. Maliit lang tayo. Tignan mo yung Russia oh. So, I'm telling you some countries. Okay. What we gonna start? This is gonna first. Yeah. This is first. The Americas. So, the Americas is North America tsaka South America. Pero yung Greenland, country din, pero hindi naman siya country. Part siya ng Denmark. Kaya, kala mo dito sa Europe ay maliit. Kaya, pagkatingin mo dito, Greenland, Europe hanggang North America. Let's start with Canada. Canada is the second biggest country in the world. Oh, the first one is Russia. Ito yung ginawa ko. Mag-isa. Wala akong kinulong dito. USA is the second. Second pala yung Canada. Ito yung third. Yung Alaska, hindi naman yan kasali. Part of US yan. Mexico, ba't ganyan yung yung shape niya? Parang banana. Pero, may siya. Parang may peel. Noong kasi, yung wala pa tayo, Mexico has war by USA because USA is small. So Mexico is now big. Mexico hanggang Washington DC. Yeah, this is the capital. This is not the capital. This is Washington of the state of USA. So let's go in the Central North America. It's so small, eh? You cannot see, right? Okay, anuhin ko That's Guatemala, there's El Salvador, that's Belize, there's Honduras, there's Nicaragua, there's Panama, there's Costa Rica, there's Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, tsaka Dominican Republic and Bahamas. You cannot see because, and you can see Trinidad and Tobago. Yan, you cannot see the Caribbean islands, and this is Barbuda. So this Greenland flag, it's parang siya, magkaano sa kay Denmark. Now let's go in South America. That's Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, Guyana, that's part of France, Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay, Uruguay, I cannot. Okay, Uruguay, Argentina, and Chile. Ayan, Chile. So, this continent of South America looks like Africa has, and this is the one enriching here. Enriching here, it's gonna be South Africa. Yan. Kasi hindi ko pa naman na yung Africa, pero bukas na lang. I'm gonna just draw it. Patagal ko to kasi na
simula dito.
So, let's go into what about of the flags.
Pupunta rin dyan sa direction.
Canada has so many islands. You cannot see the ibang islands because I draw it. So many islands. This. Okay. There's an island here. Island. You can see island here. Okay. In in this Canada, pababa tayo sa USA. USA is some 56 states, but is not this 50
Pag pauwi
states.
naman, boy, hindi ka
51,
matatraffic.
Puerto Rico,
Pero yung pagpauwi pa ganun, papuntang junction, traffic yan.
53,
Kasi rush
malamang.
yan.
Kasama siya sa
Pauwi yung mga yan.
Philippines.
Pauwi sila.
Then, they have
Pero kung pabalik ka
53.
papuntang C5, hindi traffic yan.
Yeah. They had 53 states, and even it's not 50. You got 50 stars, but it's not 50 stars. Yeah. Let's go in Mexico. This is Mexico. You can see my hand. This is Mexico. Don't forget in Hawaii. Yan. Mexico, katabi niya si America, Guatemala. You can make a bridge in Cuba, but malayo kasi ito yung map. Pag pumunta ka ng Mexico, dito, sa tabi ng siya, edi, parang, pag sa map, ano siya, pero,
hindi yung sa sa kaibigan namin.
pag sa
ganyan na ganyan.
totoo,
Ang hanap niya ganyan
totoong,
Persian.
ano ba yun?
Pure yan.
Kaya nga, sa kanya rin.
Basta pag, you cannot make a bridge here because in the map,
Hanapan na kita ng babae, man.
in the map, ano,
Hirap na hirap ka na eh.
you can build the bridge. But if you go in Mexico, in this ending,
Yung babae nga sa amin doon, pag hit eh.
in
Kulit nung ano, yung
his,
isa na kasi
this
isa na kasi sa
ending
aso.
pala,
American bully yung isa.
you can see
Pag hit yung babae,
Cuba,
yung American yung aso namin,
makikita mo ng kalahati. Tsaka yung Mexico,
Nakatulog
nandun
na
ka.
Alam din ng aso eh.
Kala mo makakaano ka
Ako nga niyan.
ng
Dapat ka may
ng
pag-group
bridge.
yan eh. Kasi
Pero
ang
hindi.
balahibo niyan.
North,
Tingnan mo nga yung mga
Central-
gamit niyan, oh.
North Central, North
May
Central North America and the Caribbean
Tsaka meron pa siyang, yan,
are small.
dried.
Ay,
Cat food na
no
dried.
war here.
Yan.
You know there's going to South America.
Ayan.
The South America has two big
Totoo na may mga pusa na rin.
countries.
Pag galing ka dito.
It's gonna Brazil and Argentina.
Balik kayo sa cat food.
Okay.
Tapos may ano pa yan,
Bibigkasin
oh.
ko
May
na-
vitamins pa yan, may shampoo.
Babigkasin ko na lang
Meron pa siya.
bukas dito
Tapos pa yung pababa.
para maano yung Europe dito.
Ayun, may sukay
Bukas
pa yan.
naman kasi yung Africa. Tsaka bukas, yung susunod na
Paano
bukas
mo,
ang
kaso hindi naman niya
Australia.
inaano,
Baka,
hindi yung
baka bukas din
pangangailangan niya.
baka bukas din yung
Diba?
yung Australia kasi makunti lang siya eh. Wala nang ano siya.
Bisa may po si Kaya.
Tsaka may Antarctica pa
Pero
dito.
mas alaga ng
Dito,
nanay
oh.
ko. Parang
Ayan yung
siya
Antarctica.
alaga ng
Pero,
nanay ko yan, sa isang-
You can see Russia here in yan, and yan.
Please, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you again tomorrow. Bye.